Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 3 steps to sell any product online with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 3 steps to sell any product online with affiliate marketing. So the very first thing is having a hook. So for example, in an email it can be the subject line. That is something that's going to get people to really read the rest of the subject of what you're going to talk about. It's something that, you know, it's irresistible. Like, think of an email that you got before and you're like, what is this about? Like, you need to read the rest. There's no option for you. So think about that. Have a hook on that email. For YouTube, for example, it could be either the first 5 seconds of the video, because a lot of people click away after these 5 seconds if that's not something that they're interested in. So the first 5 seconds are going to be the first seconds that are going to be really important and get you to actually, you know, build on from that. Like, explain what you're going to talk about. That is something that's extremely important. The other thing that could be very important in YouTube is having a good thumbnail. Like, having a thumbnail where people actually want to click on it because they get presented with a ton of options. So if they get to actually click on something that's, you know, if your thumbnails really pops up, then you're going to get people to actually click on your video, and then you're going to have these 5 seconds that is going to confirm that they want to watch the rest of the video. So, you know, if you're doing YouTube, the 5 seconds of your video or the thumbnail are going to be something that's going to be extremely important, that you really want to hook people up with that. The next thing is an ad. So if you're posting an ad on Facebook, let's say, or, you know, it could be basically anything, it's going to be the title of that ad. It's going to be like, you know, how many times have you seen a title that says something like, I'll teach you how to make money. You can make money in less than 5 seconds. You don't have to, you know, build a following or whatever. You don't have to build a funnel, and then if you click on that ad, then you have to actually enter your email and go through a funnel. But, you know, that's not the point. The actual thing is you have to have the title of the ad that's going to be extremely, you know, hooking, that you really have to read. Like, that is almost the most important part of the ad. Every single part is important. But if you get people hooked on that, they want to read the rest, then that's a good part of you that's winning, that's getting to, you know, closer to making that sale. So the second thing that you want to have is the solution to their pain point. So, you know, whatever problems they have, maybe they're trying to make money online. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you're trying to make money online. You know, if you're trying to lose weight, you know, you can help them, like, help them lose weight, and you want to get them understanding what you're going to talk about. You want to help them with the solution, and that's going to be the product that you're actually selling. So for example, you know, Builderall is an affordable product, like marketing software, that people don't need 30 different programs. Like, if you're doing another solution, like if you're using ClickFunnels, for example, you're going to have to use ClickFunnels, which costs about twice the amount of money. I think it's like $100 a month. And then you're going to have to use something for your email software. Then you're going to have to use something for you know, helping how to write scripts. You're going to have another software, you know, for your autoresponder. You're going to have another software for, you know, a million different things. But if you use Builderall, it's something that's affordable because it's even cheaper than ClickFunnels, and there's every single thing that you need if you want to market online. There's nothing that you need other than that to actually make some money online, apart from, you know, getting the traffic, which is YouTube, for example, or blogging. So the solution for your pinpoint, you're going to do that in the body of your email, if that's an email. If you're doing an ad, that's the same thing. It's the big blog that you're going to like have to, you know, read more if you're on Facebook. Or, you know, if it's a YouTube video, it's what I'm talking about right now. You know, giving the actual value and helping them out. So that's the solution is, you know, Builderall. That's my solution to actually make some money online. So help them do that. Then, so step number 3 is you want to have an irresistible offer. So how do you create an irresistible offer? First of all, it's going to have to be affordable. If it's not affordable, there's a chance that nobody will buy it. So if you're trying to sell something that's worth $10,000 to somebody that's broke, that doesn't have any money, you're not going to sell anything. If you're trying to sell a Ferrari for $5,000, then there's a good chance that you'll find a buyer. So make sure that it's affordable for your audience. Then it has to solve your problem. Like Builderall solves my problem. That's why I got into it. That's why I'm using it, because I didn't want to pay so much money for something that doesn't give me as much value, and that actually helps me generate leads. If I don't have Builderall, I cannot generate leads. And again, I'm talking a lot about Builderall because that's what I use. That's something that I know. But that's to give you another example, because you can use something else if you're in a completely different niche. Even if you're on the niche of making money online, you do not have to like promote Builderall. It's a good idea to do so, but you don't have to do it. So make sure that it solves your problem. Builderall, for example, solves my problem. If you have a weight loss program, then that's going to help you like get a program that actually helps you losing weight. So it's more valuable than what they sell it for. For example, again, Builderall. Like I said, ClickFunnels does less, but is more expensive. So, like this, it's a no-brainer. Like for me, it was a no-brainer. I needed Builderall. So it's more valuable than what they sell it for. People need to perceive that value more than what it's worth. Like, for example, for me, Builderall, I value that at like $10,000 a month. Like that's basically, if you take everything like separately, it's probably worth at least $10,000 a month, but I only pay like $49, I think, something like that every single month. So that's irresistible. And the next thing that you can do is, maybe it's cheap now, but it's going up in value. Like that's something the scarcity is something that works very well, that I've used before in other businesses, where, you know, if it's cheap now but it's going up in value, you see that all the time. People are like, it's on sale now, if you buy it next month it won't be on sale and it's double the price. So that's something that's very, very interesting. Or maybe you're going to get a ton of bonuses this month, but next month you're not, or this week or today. And that's something that, you know, for online marketers, that's very, very common, because people want you to buy now. And the reason why they want you to buy now is because the next month it's not going to be like, maybe you won't buy it at all if you don't buy it today. If you buy it today and you're rushed to do it, then like you're diving into it and you're actually going to buy it. So, you know, having that and scarcity and everything, or maybe there's not enough left, but that's, if you're promoting a digital product, that won't work as well, but that's another way to do it. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.